What's going on, dudes? It's me, I'm back. I'm making sausage and peppers. There's probably like 1,000 different ways to make sausage and peppers. I'm gonna make it the easy way. Because you know, here at Dudes, we like to do everything pretty easy. So I got half sweet, half mild. Can't tell the difference, probably should have done that, but whatever. So quick, before we get started, first you guys are gonna need a Dutch oven, and you're gonna need your oven preset on 350. We are going to brown these in here, and then we are going to throw them over the oven with all of our vegetables once everything is chopped in together. It's like brainless, so let's go, you know? A little bit of olive oil on the bottom of this here over here. We're gonna wait for this to get a little smoky before we drop our sausages in there. We wanna just get browning on each side, and then we want to cook our vegetables in there. So while this is getting hot, let's go ahead and take down our veggies. Everybody knows that when I'm doing a lot of cutting in the kitchen, I'm always using a forge-to-table knife because they work the absolute best. I mean, I can't complain. They are sharp as hell, easy to sharpen. They're just awesome. I can't say enough things about them. But let's make sausage and peppers. Let's go. All right, tomato. We can leave that off for last. Guys, watch me very closely on how I do peppers. There's a lot of different ways to do peppers. The traditional way is to go straight down. When you're doing a lot of peppers, you do it this way, okay? You need a very sharp knife for this. We're gonna spin, okay? Just spin like this. Get as close as you can. Take your time. Take your time, okay? Look at that. You guys wanna make a stock with that? You can. If you guys wanna really peel around the outside, you can do that as well. But what we want right here is the flat pieces. We're gonna do that to all of our peppers. Do you guys know a random fact that all these peppers are the exact same? They're just picked at different times. That's it. Look at that, no whites either. I remember I was working in a restaurant and I was cutting peppers. Jen saw me, and Jen always had to be, you know, the one that had to teach somebody how to do something. She came over to me and she goes, you know you're cutting peppers wrong, right? Did I get it done fast? Was it efficient? Yeah? Cool. Then leave me the f alone. Thanks. There's so many different ways to cut peppers. This is how I do it because I like doing it fast. So, see all this junk over here? Look at this, guys. Ready? Boom. We're gonna layer them, okay? I don't like to go more than like 3 at a time. So the thing with sausage and peppers is cool is the more sausages you have, the bigger you can leave your peppers cut. So that's just like a mind little thing for you, all right? One of my favorite tools in the kitchen, a bench scraper. Look at that. This is smoking over here. It's time for our sausages. We're browning them. Go. You want to keep an eye on it, all right? You don't want to over brown them, but if you do, it's not really that big of a deal because they're all getting cooked together anyway, so it's flavor, you know? I need to make vegetable stock, so I'm going to save that. Stock bowl. Oh, look at that. I got a poblano left over here. Why not? So poblanos are one of the peppers that I kind of like to cut the other way. Bench scraper. One more time. Next time I should prep these onions beforehand. Hopefully next time I'll have somebody prepping for me. Backs and butts off of these. One of the best tools to use in your kitchen is your nose. Right now, I can smell these browning. And they're only going to be browning for a little bit longer, and then they're going to be burning. So a lot of people are going to be like, well, Tom, why aren't you speeding up? Because I don't want to speed up. Like, browning is good. Flavor, brown is flavor. Look, I'm not in a rush. See? Not in a rush at all. Bench scraper, once again, this is like one of the best tools you can have is a bench scraper. Smells like time to flip. Boom, that's what we want on each side. Yes, see? Perfecto. I'm going to take down our onions. Watch this, because it's going to be quick. Bench scraper. Wow, I went through those onions so fast. They're already in the bowl, but now I'm crying. Onions. Yeah, nope, don't think that we're gonna use these shishitos. They're just a pain in the ass. Yeah, no, we're not using shishitos. Shallot's fine though, we can chop this up and throw it in there. Again, nuts and butts, take it off. Backs and butts, whatever you wanna call it. This one's a little slimy, so I'm just gonna take the outside off also. Still good for a stock pot. Again, we're making sausage and peppers. Your cuts don't have to be the best. They really don't. So for shallot, for sausage and peppers, I'm gonna cut it in half like this, straight down quick, boom. And then I'm gonna do kind of like a julienne, kind of thin. Kind of want these to like disintegrate. We should make our own one of these. We should, definitely make our own. And let's just get the backs off of our garlic. This one looks a little funky, I don't wanna use that one. Good tool, use your nose. And my nose is telling me it's time to look at these sausages. Boom, brown, look at that one. So these bad boys are ready to come off, so let's put this guy over here, this guy over here. This one definitely done. This one not so much. Garlic, crush it, boom, boom. Like I said before, we're doing it the easy way. These are browned. Tomato. Here is the easy part. All those veggies you just made while this was browning, look, boom, done. Mix them around just a tad so we get like a nice browning color on them. You want them to be slightly translucent. You know what I mean. Translucent. Yep, gonna be translucent. Of Karen's. You know we're gonna use the best salt around, Murray River from Australia. 1, 2 pinches, a couple cracks of black pepper, and then our Lucy's Italian seasoning, which is, everybody knows it's the best. It's my grandma Lucy, she's so cute, right? A little 9-year-old woman, adorable. Give her a little dash of Lucy, and now we're just gonna wait. You know, when you're waiting for these to get translucent, you can totally just, catch up on, your text messages. Like right now, we are organizing a party. I can't say for who because this video might be coming out before the party, so right as they are starting to wilt. Guess what we're gonna use again, guys? Our bench scraper. Look at that. We're gonna pick up those tomato chunks, throw them directly in there, put the lid on, and now we're gonna wait 8 minutes, okay? Go do something. Chug a beer, fold your laundry, just 8 minutes. Give me 8 minutes and then we'll come back, all right? See you later. In goes your tomato sauce. Don't forget to get some water in there, get the rest out. Mix it around, and then we're gonna put the lid on for 2 more minutes, and we are gonna get these flavors together. Then we're gonna drop our sausages in, and we are gonna put this bad boy in the oven. Sorry about the voiceover. Apparently my camera sucks and didn't want to turn on. See you in about 30 minutes, guys. It's hot in here. Whew. Shut up. All right, guys, 35 minutes is up. Let's check on our sausage and peppers. Yeah, I always forget that there's a blast of shit that comes out of the oven. There go my eyebrows. See what these bad boys look like. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Move these sausages around a little bit. Well, guys, now that you have these out over here, I'm gonna mix them around a little bit, and then we are going to throw them back in the oven, uncovered, for another 10 minutes. See you guys in 10. I feel like I just burnt my face. Rookie move. 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna try not to take my eyebrows off. I learned. See, watch. Watch. That looks good. Everything's fully cooked. We got some nice sausage and peppers. Pumped for this. Let's make a plate. Feel like I need a slotted spoon, but why can't I find my slotted spoon?
1 eternity later.
There you guys go, man. We easy weighed sausage and peppers. Let's see how it is. That Grandma Lucy's. Oof, I love sausage and peppers. Look at the sausages. Look at the peppers. That's a big sausage. I already burned my eyebrows. Let's not try to burn my face. So normally, I would cut these sausages up and throw them back in there and kind of let it mix around a little bit longer. These are actually gonna go on Heroes. So I am gonna eat this one like this, and then I'm gonna make a bunch of sandwiches. It might be football Sunday at time for football. Just like Lucy makes. I love sausage and peppers. It's like a comfort food, I guess, because I'm like half Italian, half lunatic. I really love sausage and peppers. Head over to dudesgourmet.com and learn how to make sausage and peppers with us. Well, this is good. This is so good. I wouldn't kick these sausage and peppers out of bed. I don't know if I would ever try to bring sausage and peppers in. Maybe, as long as I didn't have white sheets, I would bring sausage and peppers back to bed with me. Sausage and peppers. I love them. These are hot as shit. Big fan. Big fan. I'm so happy I didn't get a spicy one. Oh, I spoke too soon. DudesGourmet.com. DudesGourmet.com.